Do you want to earn $700 a day without any experience? I've found a free AI tool called Deepseek, and with just a few simple steps, you can start making money today. Watch until the end of the video, because I'm going to reveal a secret trick that will help you do this faster than anyone else. Deepseek is a free AI tool I discovered recently. It's powerful, easy to use, and not as well known as ChatGPT. I tried it 2 weeks ago, and with just 30 minutes a day, I started seeing money come in. No tech skills, no investment, just you and Deepseek. Let me show you how. First, go to Deepseek AI and sign up. It's completely free and takes less than 2 minutes. No credit card, no hidden fees. Once you're in, you'll see a simple interface like this. Don't worry if it's new to you. I'll guide you every step of the way. Now, ask Deepseek to create content for you. I typed generate 50 product descriptions for an online store. Then hit DeepThink, R1. And in just 5 minutes, I had them all. You can sell these on Fiverr for $14 each. Do 50 a day, and that's $700. Quick and easy. And with just a few simple steps, you can start making money today. Watch until the end of the video, because I'm going to reveal a secret trick that will help you do this faster than anyone else. You can post your articles on Medium to earn from views, or sell them on Fiverr. I tried selling 5 articles a day and made $35 in just 3 days. To hit $700 a day, just scale up to 10 articles. Stick around, because I'll share a trick next to make this even faster. Before we start making money, let's take a moment to explore Google Books Partner, Google's ebook publishing platform. Google Books Partner is a platform that allows you to publish and sell ebooks directly on the Google Play Store. This means your books can reach billions of Google users worldwide with just a few clicks. Unlike Amazon KDP, Google Books Partner has a huge advantage. Anyone with a Gmail account can instantly access your books. Imagine this. Google currently has over 3 billion users, and anyone can buy your book with just 1 click. You don't have to worry about printing or shipping. Google handles everything automatically. Some authors are making thousands of dollars per month just by publishing ebooks on this platform. The best part? You only need to do the work once, and the income keeps coming in passively. Before we start writing the ebook, the most important step is choosing the right topic. Your topic should have high demand to attract buyers easily, but it should also be something you enjoy and understand well. That way, you can create high-quality content more easily. Now, we're going to use AI to find trending ebook topics. I've prepared a list of prompts that can help with this, which I'll link to in the description so people can download them easily. For example, let's use this prompt. List 10 trending ebook topics that will be in high demand on Google Books, Amazon KDP, and other digital publishing platforms by 2024. Include an analysis of why these topics are profitable and suggest a few compelling titles for each topic. As you can see, AI has listed a lot of potential topics. AI-driven productivity and automation, sustainable living and zero-waste lifestyles, mental health and post-pandemic resilience, biohacking and personalized health tech. I'm particularly interested in the topic, AI-driven productivity and automation. Here, Deepseek AI has also suggested 2 potential book titles, AI-powered productivity, Mastering ChatGPT and automation tools for 2024, and Automate Your Life, Streamlining Workflows with AI in 2024. Now that we've chosen a topic, we're ready for the next step, using Deepseek AI to generate the ebook content. Now, let's move on to step 3 in this video. How to actually create these ebooks using Deepseek AI. The link to access Deepseek AI is provided in the text file below. If you don't have an account yet, simply create one. It's completely free. Just sign up using your email and a password, and you're good to go. Once you open Deepseek AI, you should see a screen like this. Now, all you need to do do is copy and paste the prompt that my team and I have already prepared for you. It's available inside the text guide. Just paste it here and hit enter. Deepseek AI will take a few moments to process your request. It will analyze the prompt and generate the most relevant response. After a short wait, you'll see the results appear, including a full table of contents and a complete ebook based on your request. For example, here we have an ebook titled Harnessing Deepseek AI, a content creator's ultimate guide. This is a 20-page ebook focused on using Deepseek AI for content creators. If you're not aware, personal branding is predicted to be one of the biggest trends in 2025. That's why I'm leveraging Deepseek AI to enhance the visibility of this ebook because I know it will remain relevant for years to come. Once Deepseek AI generates your ebook, it will include all the essential chapters and outlines. If you want to expand on a particular section, I highly recommend doing so. In my previous videos, I've already demonstrated this process in detail. But essentially, all you need to do is copy the section you want to expand on. Ask Deepseek AI to expand more on this topic. Paste the section and let Deepseek AI generate a more detailed version. For example, if you want to expand Chapter 6, just copy the text, paste it into Deepseek AI, and request a deeper explanation. This will make your ebook more informative, comprehensive, and valuable. As you can see, we now have a structured ebook with chapters like Chapter 1, Introduction, Chapter 2, Understanding Deepseek AI, Chapter 3, Key Features Unpacked, Chapter 4, Use Cases. If you want to maximize your earnings with this strategy, I highly recommend niching down. For example, how to use Deepseek AI for entrepreneurs, how to use Deepseek AI for new moms, how to use Deepseek AI for dentists in Wyoming. The more specific you get, the higher your chances of success. If you're unsure how to niche down, you can even ask Deepseek AI help me. Find a very specific niche to create ebooks for. Deepseek AI will generate multiple niche ideas that are profitable and in demand. I'm literally giving you the full blueprint, the exact step-by-step process that my team and I have used to generate over $4,000 with this method. You can probably tell by my excitement. This is one of the rare times I get this hyped to talk about a strategy like this. Now, once you have your complete ebook outline, simply copy the content and paste it into a new Google Docs file. From there, you can begin formatting and refining your ebook before publishing. If you close the page, don't worry, you won't lose your ebook. It's automatically saved in the cloud. Now, what I want you to do is paste your ebook right here and start formatting it. Once you finish formatting, your ebook should look something like this. As you can see, it already looks great, but there are a few extra steps you can take to boost sales. Increase reader engagement and get more positive reviews on Google Books. One of the best ways to enhance your ebook is by adding AI-generated images using Leonardo AI. Let me show you exactly how to do that. Simply go to Leonardo AI and enter a prompt related to the topic of each chapter in your ebook. For example, if your chapter is Understanding Deepseek AI, just paste that title into Leonardo AI's prompt box, and it will generate a relevant image for you. Once the image is ready, you can insert it at the beginning of the chapter or throughout the ebook to make it visually appealing. Now, I won't go into generating an image for every single chapter, but I'll show you how to use Leonardo AI in just a moment. Before we move forward, there's one crucial step. We need to add a disclaimer to the ebook. Google Books requires transparency, and if you don't disclose that AI was involved in creating the content, your ebook could be removed from the platform. To avoid this, simply add a disclaimer at the bottom of your ebook. I've already written one for you, and you'll find it in the text guide below. You can copy and paste this exact disclaimer. Disclaimer: this book was created with AI assistance. While every effort has been made to ensure accuracy, the content is for informational purposes only. Once you've added the disclaimer, copy the title of your ebook and paste it in the appropriate section where it says name of the book. Now, before I show you how to use Leonardo AI, it'll first guide you through the process of saving your ebook as a PDF. This is the format you'll need when uploading to Google Books to start making money. But remember, before saving it as a PDF, make sure you've added all the images to your ebook. Now let's move on to the next step. Here's my secret tip. Instead of long articles, ask Deepseek to create short content in bulk. Like write 5 social media posts about fitness in 100 words total. I tested this and finished 10 Fiverr orders in just 20 minutes, twice as fast as ChatGPT. This saves time and makes $700 a day a breeze. That's it. Your plan to earn $700 a day with Deepseek. No experience or money needed. Try it today and let me know how it goes in the comments. Hit subscribe and the bell icon so you don't miss more free AI money-making tips from MM247 AI. Next video, I'll guide you through the steps in detail. Stay tuned.